I don't do well with hieroglyphics. Say you need to till some flower beds. They make a quick lock attachment. And when you guys say, what's that? I'll say Milwaukee, right, makes these tools, and they make it as a whole tool, okay? And then they make this, which you can get a string trimmer, you can get a pole saw, you can get a couple different things. But each one of these tools, just the heads, start. I haven't seen a single one of their power heads start under $100. You're not going to spend anywhere near that on this. And here's the other thing. Sometimes it is nice having a designated tool for a job, but you don't want to go buy a whole new battery platform. It's a cool logo.
Here, let me zoom in a little bit.
M-E-L-L, Mealif. Mealif. Don't know. But I'll tell you what it is. It is a tiller that is small in size, easy to assemble, and runs on your Milwaukee batteries. It has an adjustable handle depending on your comfort. You squeeze these, okay? It takes Milwaukee batteries. We're gonna go ahead and start some trouble.
Oh boy.
Right? We have a safety, okay, and tilling. And you'll see, we're gonna take it outside and we're gonna go ahead and show you how with your standard Milwaukee batteries and this little Amazon find, you can till your gardens, not break the bank, not be like, honey, I need to buy one more tool. And she's like, oh no, not again. You bought one more tool. But like, look, she's telling you, I need you to, you know, toss all my bushes.
Are you sure about that?
Wait, that sounds weird. I don't know. Dig up the dirt, play in the mud. I don't know where I'm going.
Yeah.
Removable tines. Can see that. Line that back up, put in the pin. If you guys have been on a farm or in any kind of garden, you know that these hitch style pins are universal. Here I am, hoping that somebody hits fast forward because now that I decided to try to show it off. Okay, it's back together. All right, so there it is, a standard tiller. Let's stop messing around in the shop actually. Let's go outside and let's go ahead and show them how well this works. So it is a whole tiller.
Your mom's a hoe.
It does not come with this. And you provide your own battery. I'm using that name brand battery. And it's sort of convenient depending on your posture or how you want to use this, how deep you're getting into it. Nice heavy duty handle to grab on here. A safety so you don't start it accidentally. Like that. And it has the two sets of tines, as I just showed you, the one removable. Both sides come off, and I've already done all of this.
In 2 minutes, actually.
On a full battery, I only have one bar missing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you to do some more. But it can actually get in there pretty deep.
Oh yeah!
It's got a lot of strength. And you can see it digging in there real well. So now, we're going to be ready for some plants. And I was able to use the battery platform that I already have, and I didn't have to break the bank. Pretty cool.
I'd call that a win.
And I'm back. And that quick, I've cleaned the tool back off. It's strong, it's powerful, and I'm not getting rid of it. Why would I? It uses my batteries. I don't have to go to another platform. I didn't have to spend a fortune, and I got done the job I needed to. Is there anything I don't like about it?
Not for the price.
Not for the price. I'd rather this fold than unscrew. And if these tines could be separate to where you could change your width, I've seen that on some, but Milwaukee has a couple for like gravel, things like that. I really don't know what their tiller offering is, but like I said, at $100 starting for any accessory, they're not going to come close. So if you're looking for an inexpensive way to do the job and still get a tool, and you know, whoever needs their gardens tilled or their salads? No, that's a different thing.
And I know you want me to toss your salad too, don't you?
This is gonna do it for you. And I'm not against knockoff. I have bought them myself. In fact, I'll show you this one in another video. So thanks for watching. I'm the Jake of All. See ya. Till next time.